Did I mention a tree fell on Ben's car?
Thank you mostly, boys. All good.
You got rid of the tree? Hey, you don't tread on the car.
Right. Beautiful.
Where is the gigantor log?
Over there.
Did it damage anything?
I think you got out of it.
It didn't damage your grand?
You want to do the over the motor there?
It was on the back of your wing. So we missed the funny part. So gigantic tree. Hey Ethan.
Hello.
Gigantor tree fell down on the car here. You can see behind Trinity's head there. This guy here snapped and it fell down, and it was kind of like straight down here, and it fell down off the back window just there, and one of the little branches hit the rear wing here somewhere, right there, and grazed along the side of it. And the rest of it was kind of, I think, all over the old grand here, like it just went poof. And the 180 got out of it okay. I don't want to climb over there, but yeah, there's like half a tree over there. I don't know where the really big fat one is. It's down there somewhere. I don't like grass, hey. Grass is annoying. I don't know why people like grass. I see all these guys around here, like the dude next to us. He mows his lawn like every 2 days.
But I'm glad you had one, because that was easier than trying to do that with a handsaw.
You've met some of these guys. Benjamin, Corey, Ethan, Trinity.
I'm the best.
I'll be 20 or I'll be 25?
25.
I'll be 25, Zafiro. MX5, NB, MX5, Miata. Do you call it Miata, Unos, MX5? What do you prefer?
Just an MX5. Yep.
And Corey, I don't know, JZ, S14 at times when he feels like it.
Pretty much.
Benjamin.
Pretty much. Soon to be.
Skyline. Dumb freaking dumbness.
I kind of like it.
Oh, it's gonna be hilarious, but it's still
like
dumb. Yeah, polished up his intake. Finished it off.
Well, does it
Put a nice little SDK symbol in there with nail polish. For the record, because I registered the RX-7 the other day, the Z is now out of rego. I had to forsake my rego on the Z to give it to the FD. So currently unregistered. However, gotta still do that work with the wheels and stuff, and it's not a great loss. Like, I'm kind of okay with it sitting for a while. I want to do a whole bunch of work to the Z, but I just don't have the time currently with trying to finish off the 32 and dealing with the situation with the FD and wanting to get this done as soon as possible. So yeah, the Z can go on the back burner for a while. I did get some I don't know if you see them. No, you can't, sorry. Oh, you might see them in there, little red things. I got like what do you call them? Trumpet socks. So they go on like the thing to kind of, yeah, they're pretty much air filters for the intake on the Z. Still want to get this out, give it a bath. It's so filth. I'm sorry, Ray. I'm so sorry. I bought this car, well, I didn't buy this car, I swapped for this car and then bought everything for it and built it from the ground up. I've had it now probably, I think 5, almost 6 years. I don't know what it sounds like. I've never turned the key, I've never turned the motor on, I've never driven the car. It's crazy to think that I own something like this and it's my garage ornament. It just hasn't gone anywhere for a while. Not from lack of trying, but just no time. Literally no time and money. I've just got so many other projects I've just been trying to finish off first before I get to this. But hopefully soon we'll get there. And then I can enjoy the OEM life of a beautiful chassis again. And the lack of doors shutting on our chassis. Oh man, I get that all the time. I get that with that as well. Plus, we have to build a shed. We have manpower to build a shed now.
So we got to park out on the street, and the road floods when it rains heavy. So that last massive set of like rain that we had was absolutely nuts because water came up out of the drain. So I opened my passenger side.
I left him alone for 2 minutes. You just ripped the handbrake off?
No, the gas.
What?
He's
lollipops are good.
Yeah, I knew it.
I left you alone for like a minute.
Yeah, I told you.
What are you doing, Benjamin? I can't even hear it running. I don't think Beamer designed them to do that. Oh well, look at the suspension belt. Oh my god. What the hell? It sounds like the most tame little like kid's toy ever. This poor thing hasn't ran in like a year and goes into that. Oh. All I can smell is dirt. I don't think that's how you're supposed to mow the lawn.
I missed a few spots.
You did, yes. You're burning the grass. That's good. You set the grass on fire. Or something's on fire. Yeah, no, the grass is on fire. Okay, what are we giving rating out of 10?
Like 6.5, but that's mainly because he hit reverse coming back out.
Do you hit reverse?
You didn't see the lights come on?
No.
He's hit reverse. That's when you heard the grinding.
Trinity, what do you give him out of 10?
I'll say 7 because it smells good.
7 because it smells good. Is that the dirt or the burning grass there?
I'm not sure if that's burning grass at all.
Corey, what do you give him out of 10?
Oh, probably a 6.5. It was
6.5. Okay, it's a unanimous 6.5. Benjamin, you get a 6.5. Maybe you got grass stuck in there.
Well, straight to that.
See? Oh,
Man,
Highly rated as a steerer.
your rear suspension bounced a good like
There's
maybe
no
a meter.
shocks in it.
Yeah, no, it bounced like a meter though. It was hilarious.
I could tell sometimes it got very hard to steer. When I sunk down towards the back there, the ground goes in and it pulls the car down. It's like, whoa, 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 whoa. But natural lock, holy crap.
Poor little Beamer.